Welcome back, my dear student. In this lecture here, we're going to be creating a file called init.php. And inside that init, we're going to have our paths in there. We're going to include all the files. Basically, what we're going to have is a file that's going to initialize everything in your CMS system. Now, I want you to notice something. I am from the future. Right here on my left side sidebar, I got a whole bunch of files that we don't have yet, that you don't have yet in your CMS system. All right, in your gallery system, you don't have these files. And the reason why I came back from the future is to fix a issue that you are going to encounter. Well, you might not encounter that issue now because I'm here, right? I'm going to help you out. So I'm going to explain to you the issue right now. And the issue is with this file config.php that we have right now. All right, so I'm going to tell you the issue you're going to have in the future if you use what I'm about to tell you right now. So let's go ahead and create that init.php file, and then I'll explain everything. All right, so I'm going to do a save as on this file. I'm just going to say init.php, right? So I have this init, and then I have this config, right? So in the init, I'm going to delete everything here. All right, and I'm just going to have this, the open and the closing PHP tags, and then this is the config. So basically what we're going to be doing here is I'm going to include, right, this file right here, config.php. Well, let's do this, .php. All right, so now here we're going to have a whole bunch of paths later on. All right, we're going to have some constants that I'm going also to help us define our paths. All right, but that's later on. Now the problem is that some of you, if you use this like this, right, and you go to, let's say, admin content, and you try to use a database connection, you're going to get an error. All right, so what you need to do is that you need to rename this config.php file right now. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to rename it to new_config.php. all right, and come back here and just rename this one new config.php. Now in some lectures later on, you will see that this is like this. All right, do not get confused, just leave it like this. So every time you see config.php, make sure that you have the new one, new_config.php included. All right, because I'm right here, like I say, I'm coming from the future to fix this issue. Some of you, for some reason, are having issues with this config.php. I think it's conflicted with something from my SQL. I'm not sure yet. I haven't encountered that issue myself, and I haven't looked into it. But the fix, all right, is this new_config.php. I'm getting this feedback from many of you out there. So you're welcome to leave it like this if you like, and try it out to see if it works for yourself. But if it doesn't, make sure that you rename the new config file and also remain the include right here. All right, so save that, and I'll see you in the next lecture.